Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome to RIOT Studios. Today I'm going to do an unpacking, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, of a GVM LED light for the studio, for your studio. So I got this light because I wanted an additional light for the studio. I like LEDs. I've got a bunch of, well, 3 or 4 500 watt halogen lights. They get hot if you're in front of them. They use a lot more electricity. So I went with a Generate on-camera light, which I love. I'll do a video on that another time. But I went with a GVM series, looking at price and reading the reviews on Amazon. Looks really great. Right away you're greeted with this really nice case that I'm familiar with. A lot of the lights come packaged with this. It's a nice, hard, rugged, zipper protective case, made really well. Got dual zippers, box with the AC brick, foam case, soft shell, bendy, and yet protective. It'll keep the rain off of it, it'll be cool. This can be removed. This is a diffuser panel. You've got your LED lights, the broad spectrum of lights. You've got the slots that this goes into. This comes with it. I really like this. It diffuses the light, makes it look more natural. You've got screws on the top if you decide to purchase their extra diffuser. So the brackets go up and they stick out a couple inches, and the extra diffuser gives it, well, more diffusion. This is going to be good enough. I don't want to diffuse it too much. All right. On the back, you have the 2 battery ports, your on and off, your intensity. This is going to be how bright it gets. This is going to be the CCT. It goes from 3200K to 5600K. That's going to be the blue versus the white, so you can adjust for your environment. And then you've got a digital readout, which I'll show you when I plug it in here, that shows you, where are you at as far as brightness. This is 10. That's 99. That's bright to look at. I could deal with it, but I'd rather not. So for me, comfortably looking at it at 10 is good. I'm not looking at the video right now because I'm filming it, but to me this looks like a really nice soft light. If it was going to be about a foot away from my face, which it is right now. This is about 50%. And this is going to illuminate the area quite well. You put it back 10 feet, it's going to be nice. Yellow with some white. Of course, you take this off, it's going to be a lot brighter. Yeah, I can't look at that. That's a lot brighter. You really want to light your set, but then to me it looks a little unnatural. Bring that down to 32. Put the diffuser on. And you're set. You can adjust this, crank these guys down. Maybe you're filming a Lego set build or something, you can go like this. Now it's locked in place. I really like that a lot. I may get 2 of these. It'd be nice to light both sides of the set. So one of these is $150. Not too bad. For what you're getting, it's a really good light.
So guys, this is really cool, and look at those 4 lightsabers on General Grievous, because he has 4 arms as well, and he's a really cool looking guy. He's my favorite guy in Star Wars. Let me know in the comments who loves this guy, or Count Dooku. He's General Grievous, he's Count Dooku.